Alright, but I try use the back camera, but it'll give me L. So I just want to show you guys this. I'm back up this. So these are corned beef, as you can see. This one, I'm bring it up from Jamaica. This one, I buy it over here. So a lot of people see people carry things from foreign, and they always ask, why you carry up those stuff and the same thing is in Jamaica? And I'm gonna show you guys why. For me, first thing first, I need to spend some of my money with my people them. So that's the first thing. I have to leave some of my money down there. So that's why I don't mind buying stuff and taking them back with me. That's for one. Secondly, look at this. When I even ask, which one and the thing come from Jamaica. Yeah, a lot of people say, and a good meat, or this meat, or that meat. It doesn't matter. I'm just showing you guys the difference. You see the difference? Jamaica, America. Just look at that. Just look at that. So what more we need? Even though them claims they said the two of them are from Brazil, why they are different? Why are they different? When they are foreign, every time I make corned beef, I have to use paprika on it because I want that red color. Look at this. Look at this. And what I'm gonna do also is taste it. I taste it already. I taste it already if you don't look. They say I taste it already, but I'm gonna taste it again. This, you won't usually want to start yam this from the can. This just so it look, you're just not interested. It look like it raw. One more thing I'm gonna say. I don't know if it's my mind, but I said this have a little more salt than this. And this tastes a little more lighter than this. I think this is more packed, maybe. And this is more airy. I don't know if I explained that. But yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys that later. And I just wanted to show you guys my shirt, because usually when I do that video and turn the camera about and not see me, but today I wanted to show my shirt. So bye.